Was supposed to be wheat today, but we've ran into a little problem. We've been having trouble with it saying low coolant every time we moved it, so we put more coolant in. Guess what we found in the oil? Oh.
It's over. We are screwed.
That's antifreeze. This is kind of a big problem. This is bad. And this is really bad. After it came back from John Deere too. Ooh, that's bad. So, hi everybody. It is Friday, July 3rd, and the last couple of days have been super stupid. First off, the John Deere 780 combine is down. We had John Deere Tech come out, check everything out, and after changing some parts and thoroughly examining it, it needs to go back to the shop because it might need a head gasket or cylinder re-sleeve or something like that. So things did not go well. So thankfully, one of our members of our farming community was able to do some custom combining for us. So the wheat is done. So I am about ready to plant beans, double crop beans in the wheat. So we'll see how this goes. Markers are down, fans are on. Let's see what happens. Well, things are going well for the moment. As you can see, we're planting and doing pretty well. Trying to keep the rows straight. Song. Can't even get it on Apple Music. Larry Crane used to play guitar for John Mellencamp. It's got a Mellencamp sound to it too. Old Mellencamp. Not new Mellencamp, old Mellencamp. Grandma Sherry brought me jerky. This is my Grandma Betty's special recipe that she made for my grandpa when he was farming. So it's pretty good stuff. I like it a lot. Closing time. Well, I've done that better. Jesus, Ryan. I figure I'd have the camera run at the time that I mess it up, and I've only done it 60 times in a row perfectly. Oh well. Looks like Dave is getting ready to spray. Got to center this up. Time to lock in. Look at that. Perfect. Looks like I've done it before. 16 acres done today. Then on the boat with some friends tonight, and then probably hung over 66 acres of double crop tomorrow. Should be awesome. Okay, lake time was cut short. I just got off the phone with my partner at the farm, and he said the field is good to go to double crop beans. So happy 4th, let's go plant some beans. That went well. Now let's see if they go in the ground. I've done 27 acres of this 66 acre field. Things are going well. But as I look, that darkness concerns me. What also concerns me is it looks bad on the phone too. So I may be making a run for the barn here very shortly. So we'll see. Yeah, that doesn't look good. So yeah, I'll go as long as I can. That's all I can do. Yeah, not looking any better. Great. I've got 8.35 acres left, and then I got this right there, low tank warning, which means I got to go back across the street, grab the bags that are in the shed, and put them into this. I just don't want to talk about it. Yeah, it's gonna rain before I can get this thing loaded back up, so we're parking it. I'm done till tomorrow. Done. Hi guys, it is the day after 4th of July. I'm headed back to the farm. I've got about 8 acres left after I was so rudely interrupted by a low tank warning yesterday. I guess my first clue should have been, the seed guy brought two big totes of seed, and then there was a pallet with about 8 or 10 bags on it. I just didn't make the connection.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
yeah, I got 8 acres left. Shouldn't take me more than about 15 or 20 minutes, but still got to go over there and start everything up, get it done. We got a little rain last night. I don't think we got enough, to cause any issues, so I'm just going to send it. It'll be fine. So, here we go. Let's try this again. Get a transmission error every now and then on this thing, and then it goes away. Just like going to the doctor, ignore it, it'll go away. That's never worked out right. Ignoring it until it goes away is never a good idea. Yeah, I know. It'll be fine. I know. It hurts me too. Okay, now we're good. Let's do it. Oh, there's still some beef jerky left. Outstanding. Let's turn on all our beacons and lights. Be safe on the road. Bluetooth later. Made it. Oh. Easy there, big fella. That'll work. Helps if you do the right one, Ryan. Go down here to where I started to lose population, about 100 yards back from that, and start planting again. Not much left to do here, but it's still got to be done. Oh well, that's how it goes on the big jobs. Enhance. Enhance.
Enhance. Enhance.
Isn't technology wonderful? Because you can see where I started running out of seed there. Yeah, so that's where we're going to start. Start right here. Let's go. Yeah, no, you're not planting because you're not supposed to. Center up the ball. Perfect. I should do this for a living. Yeah, I know. I am fairly pleased that we are going to actually have sweet corn this year. The last couple of years, the sweet corn has been burned down by the sprayer through either, I don't know, errors or incompetence. But we do have sweet corn. It's right there, and it's growing pretty good. So pretty excited about that. Anyway, I think that's it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed it.